So, welcome, good afternoon, and we're app promotion, if you want to call it, is called SnapCam. Okay. It's basically an overlay that you can put a filter on, and I'm going to show you really basic how to deal with it. So once it's installed, first you go to settings, and then you have to choose the camera, and then what's your resolution. These are normally locked. So I normally left the updates, the default one. Um, that's it. You can also create your own lens, which is the thing that we're going to use. And I'm going to just go through how you apply it. And then also if you're using WhatsApp, how to set it as that particular um, or Teams. You can use it within Teams as well. So let's go to Funny, and I'm going to show you some of the things. I mean, some of these are, I wouldn't use them professional ones. I thought something's in my head. Sorry about that. I thought something was in my hat. But if you selected something, that's the kind of view that you're going to get. And then obviously you would just minimize it or whichever, like that. I found that when you go and you download it or add it as a favorite, the application will hang. Okay. So like sort of little simple things. I mean, obviously I've got glasses on, but you could put something like that on. Obviously it's quite cool because you can see the images. But what I have noticed is when you do that, sort of, it'll take it away. So some of them are quite funny, and other of them don't really work. So yeah, so I found this one work from home because we all work from home, study type of thing, and let's go back to cartoon character. I thought that was quite funny. So the work from home one, obviously there's nothing at the moment, um, or maybe it's thinking. So yeah, now you've got like a great tool to run that will give you an overlay. Okay, came back. So obviously it was trying to update. The minute you select it like that, it's going to try and load the update. So you can obviously see this is a work from home thing. Um, and obviously you can see it's not 100%. So if you're drinking coffee, like for example, if your face is thing, it will sort of overlay, and you'll see like the one that is. This is sort of glasses on glasses, office on office, and then there you've got your own background, and then you got this one, office from office. I thought this one worked quite well. Yeah, VCR, sort of an old one, Miami one, blurred books. I'm sure that's also quite a nice one. But I mean, yeah. So find my face. Yeah, great tool to have. Um, I mean, I saw this one. I thought that one was quite funny. And then you also have, let's see, makeup. So you obviously have, type of things that you can select. Natural face, rock star. It's quite cool. Um, characters and gamings. So you could, for argument's sake, do something like that, masquerade. And yeah, particularly if you belong to chat groups. That one I thought was quite funny. And then you see those type of things. And the minute you select or deselect, it'll change it accordingly. I mean, look how funny that one is. And then you got this one. Character. So if you went and you selected pixel and then you deselect, it's going to go back. Then you've also got some other one to search lenses. So live. So I think this was the one where it's, live pictures. I mean, yeah. So this is another one, live picture, live. Um, where do you live? Live picture. And then you obviously select an image. So the other one I wanted to clock going live. The other one that I was breaking news, which is quite funny, I think, and then obviously it looks reverse to you, but that's one. Breaking news has sort of got a BBC tint to it. The other one I use is Classroom support. So yeah, some funny ones that you can put up, and yeah, I think it was. So let's try WhatsApp. That's quite funny. So I mean, there are hundreds, and you can create WhatsApp like that, and yeah, great tool. Some of them, you can use for your work, but others you can't. And I've just seen another one, so let's go for animated. So that'll be interesting to see. Let's try this one. Let's say animated wallpaper. So yeah, got quite great way animated. Now the problem is I can't see myself. So you want to select one where you can. That one would be quite funny to have a meeting and then sort of you can't see yourself until the background. Windows 10. So I mean, you can go into it, and I do a lot of cam baiting calls, so I think that's quite good. Windows XP. I mean, yeah, sure. And then kind of find my face type of thing, and then questions and answers, and yeah, hi. I can't really read whatever's on the screen. X Pro. So yeah, if you're wanting to maximize to get down to it, so yeah. That's quite funny. So I find my face, click, an error, Windows. Let's go for audio visual. So it'll be interesting to see when you go through it and you got to find silly things that you could load or something. So tap to scan. Tap to scan. So yeah, so let's see. It's actually a great tool, I find. So audio visual. Hmm. Doop, boop, boop. It doesn't seem to be working. Yo, that's a bit hectic. Oh, that one was quite funny. So let's go auditorium. So yeah, that would be now a nice one for a picture auditorium, and so yeah, great tool I think to use, and yeah, so that's quite funny. Although everybody is reversed auditorium. So yeah. So let's go and type presentation. So let's see what these things do. Oh my word. So you can have a lot of fun. That'll be interesting to see. Design manager. So you see those type of ones that you want to do. That one is actually quite cool. If anybody wants to, sure, that is quite something else to watch. So yeah, presentation one. So some of these skins are quite funny, others are, I think, rubbish. So yeah, and yeah, you can probably have fun trying to create it. Okay, projector. So obviously some of these, like this one, created. So let me see if I can search for anything for dimension data. And I think it's dimension, not data. So let's go Windows Desktop. I think that would be quite a funny one to have. Yeah. But obviously you need something that's not obtrusive. I think that one is quite nice because then, yeah, that would actually be quite funny because you don't see yourself. Show me the hand. That would get everybody talking. And you know, some of these people, yeah, you could actually customize. So I've seen like those Windows errors. Tap. I think we've actually shown you that one. So I want to go with, let's say, IT support. Support. I think, yeah, it's just picking up. So let's find one that says projection. Projector classroom. Galaxy. Yeah, that one's a bit bright. So yeah, I actually did find one that I was wishing I'd used. And then let's say hairless. That's quite an interesting skin. That one probably looks more realistic. So it would be funny to have like a conference. That one is probably the best. So what you do is you say, guys, look, I've decided I shaved my head, and then you'll see the fright in themselves. That one looks like a bit hectic. So you sort of say that one doesn't look realistic. I think that actually is taken off everything. That one sort of kept the more natural look, although the eyebrows now look very bushy. So hairless, I think, is very funny. So you can sort of start like this with your family, put it on the cap the other way around. So hi guys, how are you? Find yourself. I really decided that I didn't like my hair, so it's gone. And then when they all freak out, then you immediately go, I grew it back. Hairless. So I'm going to select classroom. And yeah, that one I think is quite nice. This is classic man. Ice cream. Blah, blah, blah. Sure, that's a bit bright. My room. Help desk. Help desk. Hi, welcome. That is actually quite funny. So I'm going to choose that one. Hi, welcome to IT Service Desk. I think that's quite funny. Thanks for your time. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay?